Hey y'all, it's Saturday.
It is.
So we decided usually we don't usually go nowhere on no Saturdays too much. But since it's nice out and it don't look like it's gonna rain right now, we're gonna go to Cascade Falls. Remember we kept saying, oh, we're gonna go to this place? Well, we're gonna go ahead and take a chance and go. It's about 55
About an hour.
Yeah, about an hour away from us. So we're gonna go out here and check it out because it's supposed to be some waterfalls, a little walking trail, something like that. So we're gonna go and y'all are coming with us. We're gonna check it out. Say hey, Joe.
Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe.
There you go. All right, so we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, we made it down this way. Tips for the trails. Be prepared, stay alert.
Cliff edges. Venomous snakes.
Deer Park. Oh, I hear water. That's what I was looking for. All pets must be leashed. Y'all heard Joe when he saw that thing about the venomous snake.
Yeah, I don't play that. I really don't.
It'll be all right.
Yeah.
It'll be all right. Mainly coming to see about this water. Oh, is it?
That ain't the thing you have on.
Oh boy.
Oh, well. Get down in all that either.
I mean, you ain't got to go all the way down there.
You're getting hungry, huh?
It's a lot of steps, huh?
Yeah.
It's deep down there. Oh, they're way down there. People down there. Yeah. I wish we could see better from here. I can't even see.
Oh, wow. Well, nature is something else, bro.
It is. bees gonna be singing. Get it, Joe. You got it. Whew. He coming. We almost at the top. We made it. Joe made it. Yeah. We couldn't really see the waterfall thing because there was so much mud and it was so far down to the bottom, so we saw what we could. Yeah. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Tell them bye, Joe. Well, y'all, that was our short visit to, I believe it was called Cascade Falls in a small town called Tonica, Illinois.
I couldn't live there. No.
Y'all, it is nothing there. Nothing. The houses are far apart. It's nothing but grass, and even the drive. Let me show y'all what the drive looked like. Let me turn y'all. This is the scenery for the drive. Grass.
Nothing.
Illinois is like so country.
Some parts.
Yeah, some parts of it is really, really country. So we really didn't have much to show y'all, and where we were at the place, it was a lot of mud. So we couldn't really go around to show y'all more of the waterfall. And then you had to walk all the way down to get in. I think you had to walk around the trail and go all the way down to the bottom to get in the water. And we wasn't about to do all that.
Nah, I wasn't going to do it.
Y'all saw we was huffing and puffing up all those stairs. It was like, it was time to go. But we hope y'all enjoyed coming with us on this Saturday. We'll see y'all later. Bye. I don't know about where y'all were, but last night, y'all, they popped them firecrackers until like after midnight, and I couldn't believe it because they've never done that before. So they getting cranked up again today. Lord help us, but we made it back from Cascade Falls. Joe went to the pool again because, of course, all of those steps got his knees screaming. He just went to the pool this morning. His knees were fine. I didn't know that place would have as many stairs as it did. I thought it was like a place where you could just, walk up to the waterfalls. I did not know it was going to be like that. So he went to the pool. I'm making some chicken stir fry. I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Cooking that. Got a little bit of broccoli here. I got some stir fry, y'all see. Some mushroom, onions, peppers. Then I got a sweet potato in the microwave as well. So I'm just making that really quick. Sorry, I pressed the button. I'm just making that really quick, just to have something to eat, and I will show y'all the results later. Alrighty, here's what we have. Alright, here's lunch. And my sweet potato and my chicken stir fry. I put some honey and butter and brown sugar and cinnamon on my sweet potato. Look at how fast that weather changed, y'all. As you can tell, it is gonna rain. These people out here trying to celebrate. But I think they're gonna have to change the plans. There goes the rain, y'all. And the thunder and the lightning on the 4th.